Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your most requested pick a card reading. What is coming next for you, Charms reading? Yes, friends, we're gonna look today into this week, and this is a timeless reading, friend. You can watch it anytime, yes. And this is a charms reading. I have my bag of charms here. So, this reading is here, friends. This is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So, take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is a timeless reading. You can watch it anytime, although this is for this week, but you can watch it anytime, friends. And make sure to subscribe, Magic Wins Tarot, friends. Subscribe, like, and share. Join us on Instagram as Magic Wins Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com, friends. Yes, and a lot is happening this week astrologically. Happy birthday, Cancers! So, Sun will be moving into Cancer. So, if you have your birthday coming up, happy birthdays, many angel blessings, and big energies. Saturn will be squaring Uranus. Yes, conflict between traditions and modernity. So, traditional views versus modernity, structure versus power, like freedom, structure or freedom, power versus liberation. Lot is happening. And Jupiter will be retrograde and it will go into Pisces. So very kind of creative energy also. So a great week. We'll look more into detail with the reading. So let's take a deep breath. Are you ready? Let's take a deep breath. Relax, take a deep breath, and choose option number one. This beautiful lady angel holding the what is it, a shield, a lamp, a sword, I don't know. The angel holding a sword card. Option number two, this beautiful red angel. Option number three, this beautiful winged angel in the garden. So, friends, take a deep breath, relax, and choose option one, option two, option three. Like always, the timestamps are in the comment section. You can directly go there and choose from there, or you can watch the entire video. You can choose more than one option. Also, friends, yes. Let's see. Let's see pile number one. What is coming next for you? What's gonna happen for you? Pile number one. Wow. So if you chose this beautiful angel with the sword card, let's see. Forgiveness and understanding. Wow. So I feel this week is very important for you, friends. Because it is like something is showing, coming to light for you. Something beautiful is healing in your life. Forgiveness and understanding. Wonderful. We'll look into detail. Let's see. These are your oracle messages and your advice, and the charms are here. I'll look at them shortly. Let's see your tarot cards first. All right, you start the week feeling a little confused, Wow. You start the week feeling like life is not trustworthy. People are not trustworthy. You're feeling like, you can't trust people around you. You can't trust a certain situation. Maybe you can't trust yourself. Like, certain fear. It's the energy of like, can you do this, or can you do this, or you can't? Can you trust this person, or you can't? There is this energy of confusion, a slight confusion. You begin this week on that. Let's see. Caution will help you avoid the loss of valuables, including material resources such as time or peace of mind. Be aware of the results of your action, as well as what others might be planning behind your back. Oh, Yes, so you start the week with a lot of intuition, friends. You are very telepathic. If someone is lying, cheating to you, you will automatically pick up on that. If something is off, you will pick up on that. If something, if somebody calls you and says, "Hey, let's meet," or somebody promises you, "Hey, I'll give you the money tomorrow," you will be like, "This person isn't going to do that." Your intuition is very strong as you start this week. Also, you will have trust issues, friends. That's how I will say it. You will have certain trust issues this week. Like you will find it difficult to trust people, trust situations, trust life in general. But it is a good thing, sometimes we should not trust blindly. That this is a good thing. You should question, they say a beautiful mind is a one that can question things, that can ask questions. An intelligent child asks a lot of questions. So you'll ask a lot of questions to people this week. You are like, okay, so you are telling me you'll give me the money on Friday, you'll meet me on Friday. So, are you free on Friday? What are your plans on Friday? Are you sure? You'll double check on everything, and it's a good thing for you because the current energy is such where Mercury is retrograde. So, double check everything, friends. Yes, it's a great energy, and you will double check everything, so it's a good energy. Queen of Winter, an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person will be important to you, friends, this week. I also feel that this could be a past lover or someone in no contact with you. So, you will feel like, if that person reaches out to you or if they talk with you, this past person, this current no contact person, if your lover reaches out to you and they have not been in contact, you are not going to believe them very quickly. And it's a wonderful thing. It's a wonderful thing. You are very clear what you want this week, friends. Your intuition is very strong, your mind is very strong, your focus is also very strong. So this will help you, to know what other people are doing. If somebody promises you, like, hey, we'll give you good grades, you are the one who will be selected for the promotion, you will know whether they are saying the truth or lying to you. You will know, friends, you are very, very powerful. I do feel an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important for you. They will try to reach out to you. This person is a friend who has not been in touch, or a lover, an ex husband, wife, a twin flame who wants to contact you, but they are a little scared of you. So, good energies, friends. Wonderful. Very, very powerful week, friends. And let's read this card also. All of your life experiences have prepared you for this movement of of truth. It is time to declutter your home, clear away any situations that no longer are serving for you, and disengage from people who create more drama and fear in your life. So, yes, you are going to say bye bye to anybody who is not positive in your life. I do feel, friends, this week there will be people who will say, "Oh, we love you, we want your best." They will try to pretend to be your friends, forgiveness and understanding. But you have to remember that, you even, no matter what they are saying, trust your intuition. Because Mercury is retrograde, communication errors can happen. Jupiter is also in Pisces, again a very murky energy. So listen to your mind, listen to your intuition, follow, double check everything. Also, some people will try to say no to you just because of they want to say no. Don't believe it. Go ahead and do your own thing. What else will happen this week? Nine of Autumn. So you are very independent, friends, this week. You will not want to accept help from others, maybe even family also. You want to do things alone. You are very independent and feeling very proud. Also, at work, I see you will be doing very well in your work and career and success, and that can involve or invoke some jealousy around people. people around you, some colleagues or some bosses can get jealous, like, hey, you are so productive, you are such a leader, you don't need a help, you don't need anybody's. People might get jealous. I'm sorry this reading has started on this note, but it is a good thing to know things rather than face them afterwards. That's the job of a reading, actually, to prepare you, to tell you in advance what will happen ahead, right? So, Nine of Autumn, money is coming your way, friends. You will feel very independent this week. You will also feel very ambitious. You will feel like you can do anything, you can take some risk, but no, 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 don't take some risk. Don't take any kind of risk, because check everything, double check everything. If you are driving, check the tires, check, because I do see a flat tire can happen to somebody, so don't do that. Double check your tire. If you are going somewhere, make sure you have a spare tire. So, yeah. But money is coming your way, friends. Money is coming. You will feel more confident, more bold about your work, your career, your finances, and even your studies. And in love, you know what you want. You are very independent. And the Emperor, wow. So you are going to take charge, friends. You are taking this week by the horns, by the bully. You know, you are leading all and all out. You will be very focused on work, on your life, on improving your life. I don't know, some of you are either traveling from home or traveling towards your home. I see you buying, thinking about buying a home, selling a home, all those things. Will you have your own home? Will you be able to buy an office? A lot of buying and selling thoughts are on your mind. Yes, I also feel the Emperor, you will be taking charge of your life this week. Also, your focus will be very much on improving your life in general. I also feel that some of you, your person, your lover wants to talk to you, but this time you don't want to give them a second chance. You are like, I'm done. I'm done. I'm focused on other things right now. So that is how it will be. Even though love is there, love is coming for you, there is a lot of love. Your focus will be more on being solo, being independent, focused on work, focused on changing your health, making yourself more prettier, working on your good looks, those things, fitness, all those things. Structure and organization are important right now. Don't be afraid to take a leadership role, as you have much wisdom to offer to the world. So believe in yourself, friends. You can do it. People might say this week to you, hey, you can't do it. Even you might say to yourself, nah, I won't be able to paint, I won't be able to sing. But you can. You can, friends. Believe in yourself. Let's see what else. Ten of Winter. Yeah, certain things are ending, friends. Certain situations are still causing you problems. It could be a health issue, it could be a financial issue, it could be your parents, your in laws' health is causing you some issues, or some past problems like a divorce, a breakup. Those things are still bothering you, but this is the last week they can bother you or touch you, because you are coming out of these things, out of these difficulties. So be gentle with yourself. Take care of yourself. Don't hurry, Like I am, but this is my work, friends. This is my job. I can't, I have taken rest, but, eventually I will do the readings. But for you, I will say take some rest if you can. I'm here working for you, so you take a rest, right? The end of a difficult situation, a project, or a relationship can bring you feelings of sadness as well as freedom and disappointment. Put aside your fears and embrace the new future that awaits you. So, a lot of good things are coming for you. This week is you are preparing to say bye bye to certain things so that you can welcome some new things ahead. Wow, the King of Winter. You already have the Queen of Winter, friends. So, King and Queen of Winter, both the couple is here. Wow, I do feel an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. I actually, there could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, or an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person around you important this week. Friends, what I feel is that this week, people are very logical around you. Very egoistic, very logical, or very, very talkative. People want to talk to you. A lot of people might call you, asking for your help, asking for your suggestion, but they will then blame you also, like, why did you say it? You told us, we did it. So people might put their blame on you, friends, but that's not true. You are only trying to help them. So be careful. If you can help somebody, say yes. If you can't, say no. Okay? At this time, it is very important that you communicate very clearly. See, communications are the key for you. Be analytical as well as practical, and in both your professional as well as home life. If you need advice, seek out the most experienced expert to give you the advice. So, yeah, I do feel some of you may join some seminars, workshops, or some of you may start giving tuitions, helping people around you. So, that's a great idea. That's great if you are doing it. And the seven of spring, so you are not going to give up no matter who tells you to give up this week, friends. Yes, I'll be honest, friends, there is some drama in this week for you. A little drama, like people might say judge you, people might judge you, people might say hey, you can't do it, or people might say you are too young for this, too old for this. Don't listen. Don't listen. You are very, very smart this week. Jupiter is blessing you, friends. You will have a lot of ambition, lot of stamina, and sharp intuition. Very, very clear intuition you will have. So trust on it. Don't give up. And be bold. Assert yourself. Especially I feel like if you are younger and there are people at work or in family telling you, no, you can't do this, but you know what you are doing is right, then try to communicate that. Don't give up, friends. This week is your week to be bold, to take charge of your life. Be assertive, believe in yourself, and don't let anyone take away your personal power. Trust that your inner guidance is true and follow it immediately and follow it completely. So, yes, friends, there might be people who will tell you, no, you can't do this, you can't be a businessman, you can't do a businesswoman, you can't be an entrepreneur, you can't do modeling at this age. You can. You can, friends. And in fact, your intuition is guiding you, so listen to it. Also, I feel somebody from the past is coming back. They want a second chance. But listen to your intuition, friends. Listen to your intuition. I don't know, will you say yes to them or no, but your intuition will help you. There is somebody who wants a second chance, but I don't think so you should give it to them. Let's see your oracle messages. So, friends, let's see your oracle cards and then we're gonna look at your advice and the charms. Let's see. Wow, to be fair, number 38. So I think yes, balance is the key this week for you, friends. Another thing is be fair to yourself. Don't listen to judgment. Don't listen to anybody telling you you can't do this, you can't do achieve this. You can, friends. Also, I see some legal victories happening, some financial victories, and victories with related to authorities. Like a promotion coming to you and etc, all those kind of things. Blessed, number 22, 222. So you are very, very blessed, friends. You are very safe and you are very protected. You have nothing to worry about, especially related to money, finances, or emotional security. You are safe, you are very protected. Let's see what else. Reach out, number 3. I do feel someone wants to talk to you, friends. Someone wants to reach out to you. I also feel you are very independent this week, friends. So the desire to ask for help will be less. But if you need some help, if you need some new friends, or maybe you need to talk, it would be a good time, good week to initiate first contact. I do feel somebody wants to talk to you, a lover, a twin flame, a soulmate, and you also need to talk to people and reach out to them because you want to do things alone, friends. So talk to people, you have a lot of help available. So let's see your advice and then we're gonna look at your charms. Honesty and communication. Wow, so this is perfect, friends. Communications are very, very, very important for you this week. Important signs, messages, communications, news is coming. Another thing, be honest with yourself, friends. Be compassionate, be kind to yourself. Don't try to burden yourself, or don't try to be too hard on yourself. Don't do that. Let's see your charms now, friends. So let's see, friends. Let's see your charms pile number one for this week. Ooh, almost got the charm. Let's see, friends. Let's see. You're gonna keep them aside. Oh wow, Joe. Joe could be a name for some of you. It's a very specific name. So that is there. Let me just separate the charms a little. All right, let's see. So the initials for you are Joe, Joe, Joe. So that could be a name for some of you. This person could be, or somebody named with J, O, and E is important. The number is number 19 is important. Blue car is about following your mind, staying balanced, not overthinking, not thinking too negative, staying balanced. Iron, you are very busy, friends. You are very busy taking care of your finances, your work, your love life. Teapot, something is brewing, something is, you don't know certain things, but they are going to happen for you. Positive things, success coming your way, money, love coming your way. Teapot takes teacup, friendships, friends. It is a good time this week. Talk to some friends who don't challenge you or stress you out, who relax you. Talk to those people. And angel wings, you are very, very protected, friends. You are very protected. Look at this, blessed. The blessed card. You are very, very protected. You are very safe. What else? Let's see. This is the horseshoe. So this is about luck, friends. Your luck is changing. You are very, if you feel you are unlucky right now or things are slow and stuck, you can expect a positive change. And look at that, the spiral. I have never seen this come earlier. The spiral, I call it also the energy spiral. Something is gaining momentum in your life, something is gaining, what you say, something is starting in your life. Yeah, communications, the feather. Look at that, friends. Angels are with you, angels are guiding you. I would suggest you to write your thoughts or paint or, write down things because it is important. It will help you give clarity. The tree of life, family is very important. Other people are also very important to you this week, like family, people who are you are married with, your brother, sister, everybody. Family is very important. Money is very important. House, I see you, there is some talk about buying a house, buying property, moving, shifting, relocating. Those things are very important. And the moon, emotions are high. Someone is missing you. The moon and the star, someone is really missing you. A wish coming true. The slipper, yeah, I feel like some of you will either invest in new shoes, or you need to buy some new shoes because that's necessary for you, because you are planning to go out, jogging, shopping. So, shoes, good shoes are necessary. The fighter, the warrior, oh my god. People, don't give up, friends. Don't give up. People might challenge you this week, but don't give up. Listen to yourself, don't give up. Butterfly, positive changes. The trumpet, news and messages you need are coming. The bead of, this is the bead of creativity. This is also the bead of staying positive. So stay positive, friends. Ten of Cups, family is very important, friends. Happiness will come through family, like anniversaries, someone in the family is getting promoted, their birthday is there, they are getting married, or you are getting married. So, family is very important. Eagle, take a long term view, take a long term view, higher view. If you look very closely, you may get upset this week. Children, yes, be children are very important. Some of you, if you are single, you want to have kids. If you are married, you want to expand your family. Even if you are like not married, if you are really single, work with your inner child. Ten of coins, yes, money is also very important. So work, family, money, all those things are very important for you. Roads, roads, where are we going? We don't need roads, we need roads. Who need roads? So you don't need a compass, you don't need a direction. You are the direction, friends. You know what you want to do and you can go for it. Unique, yes, you are very unique. You are very talented, so don't doubt it. You are also very classy. You have your own sense of style, sense of doing things. So believe in yourself and a very happy week. Make sure to subscribe Magic Vents Tarot. Join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. This is Mystic C saying bye bye for now. So, friends, if you chose option number 2, let us see what is coming next for you in this week. Let us see if you chose this beautiful red angel card. Raise your vibration. Wow, this is a beautiful card. I feel you are trying to improve your life, you are trying to improve something in your life. You're trying to raise your vibration, or your life is getting an upgrade this week. This is wonderful. This is a charms reading, so we're gonna look at your charms shortly at the end, and these are your oracle and advice cards. Let's see your tarot cards first, friends. Oh wow. So, yes, Six of Winter, you start this week feeling like you are finally moving into, good things. Finally, life is moving. Delays are over. And, some sort of a movement, some sort of a shift, some sort of a travel is coming for you. And you're going to feel really happy about this. Like, ooh, finally things are easing. There you can move out. There is more liberation. There is a chance of travel. You also feel like yes, things will move. There is hope in life. You're finding hope in life this week, which is wonderful. So congratulations. The challenging times are coming to an end, and you can now breathe a sigh of relief. So congratulations. Let the past go and embrace the happier times which are coming for you. So yes, you start the week with some sort of a travel plan, also feeling hopeful about your future. Another thing I'm feeling is, friends, this week you are moving into happiness. You will feel more hopeful. You will feel more like yes, life has there is something good in life for you too. If you were like your vibration is raising, your energy is raising, you're gaining more positivity, more confidence, more faith in life. So wonderful, pile number 2. Unity. So I think this week you will think a lot about important questions in life, like what is your purpose, why you are here on earth, why something happened in the past, what is the lesson you have learned from it, what will happen in your future. So there are big questions on your mind, friend, but all of those are positive. Everything you think this week, it will lead you to positivity, it will lead you to happiness. So some of you are questioning, should you change your life purpose, what else can you do. Some of you are questioning why something happened in the future, in the past, but you kind of made peace with it. You kind of like, okay, this happened, now I know why this happened, and I'm okay with it. Let's move on. Let's do something new now. So it's a wonderful energy. Also, if you are very young, you are a student or something, you are trying to you're trying to find, you're trying to discover yourself. Some of you are trying to change your life purpose, even change what you are doing. Even in work, some of you are trying to leave your work, or you have already quit your jobs, you are trying to find new job, new career. So that is there. Embrace this time of deep spiritual growth. You may feel called to act as a mentor, find a new teacher, or spend time with others who are also on a sacred path. So, this is a wonderful time. You will find more people who are aligned with you. Also, some of you want. You are going through a spiritual path this week, a spiritual awakening, and look at that. Raise your vibration. A spiritual awakening. You are trying to bring more light, more consciousness in your life. So, this is wonderful. Four of summer. So this week you may feel like this is a, things start on a good note, but you may feel like slowly the week is a little slow. A little you are chilling yourself. Things are taking, on a things are following on a normal space. Now, this is not a week where you will be rushing a lot. There is a lot of hurry. No, this is a week where you start with a lot of hope. You think about life, you think about your future, your past, your present, why you on earth, all those things, and then you chill, you relax, you enjoy life. You do things which are your part of an everyday routine, and then you take some time to relax, and that is very necessary right now for all of us to just relax, because even though things are getting better, things are still stressful. Energies are still brewing in the past. It's like, ooh, what will come? It's just a matter what will turn and come, you don't know. So, yeah, relax. Also, some of you may feel like, some things could have gone better for you. Like a lover could have done much better. They should not have disappointed you. Some of you may feel like some in your exams you could have done better. In your work, you could have done better. So, this energy, you may feel like you can do better in life. Some things could have gone much more better than they are happening right now. So that energy is there. In love, even though there is love around you, friends, you are little, how do I say this? You are, you are not open to love. I don't know why, but it is like people are there who want to love you, want to take care of you, but you are not sure. It's like, I want love, but I don't necessarily want it, need it, So love is there, but you may or may not focus on it. Also, if you are in love, in a relationship, things are okay this week. Things are actually healing. Things are looking better for you. And look at that, the Empress. So, definitely, friends, you are taking more time to focus on yourself, taking care of your body, your mental health, your emotional health. Some of you are also focusing on your mother, your grandparents, your grandmother, your mother in law, your sisters, You are very, even if you are a man, you are focusing on your mother. You're remembering them, things they used to tell you, or things, you know you are also focusing on being a mother, like wanting to start something new in life, maybe a project, maybe a garden, maybe also have your own children, of your own family. So those things are big for you. Mother issues, family, having children, birthing a new, starting a new project, a new business idea, those things are big. Take time. It's time to leap into action. Use your natural creativity to bring forth prosperity and success in your life. So, yes, friends, things are moving quickly into your life now. Things, you will have a lot of ideas. Things which are, they will develop quickly. These ideas, these new friends, these new contacts, they will develop quickly. There is movement, there is progress, but at the same time in love, you are like, I'm chilling. I am, you're not worried much about love, except if you're married, then you want to expand your families. For some of you, chances of pregnancy are high. So, yes, balance. All right. So this week, you already have three major arcana, so it is an important week. Some of you may see life as, dark, dark and white, like, oh, that person is good, that thing is not, they are very good, this person is bad, that thing that happened in the past was bad. So you may see life in, you know, this and that, dark and white. You may not see life as, like, you may not see life in a more, how do I say, collective way. So that is necessary. Don't be judgmental, don't try to be hard on yourself, don't try to see like this happened, this person was so bad, this is bad, my life is wrong, my luck is bad. No, nothing like that. It was just that something needed to happen in the past, but now life is coming into balance for you, your love life and your work and career both. So this is a week where you need to relax because you are very busy. Also, some travel plans are happening, so congratulations for traveling. Queen of Autumn, so money is coming your way, friends. A lot of money is coming, a lot of financial success, clarity about your future, your next action, steps in your work, in your future, in your career, in your studies. You will be very clear about it. So this week is a lot of information is coming for you. So great week. A Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is very important to you, friends, this week. I also feel that, someone who was a very distant, no contact person, someone in a long distance person, a relationship, that person will try to reach out to you. They want to talk to you and they want to share something with you. I also feel someone will try to meet up face to face with you, that or make plans of meeting up with you in the future. So that is also there. And look at that, Three of Cups. Friendships are very important. Celebrations are coming your way. I do feel some of you have your birthdays this week, or your friends have their birthdays, or someone in the family have a birthday. So congratulations and lots of celebrations. So this is a happy week for you, friends. You're gonna feel really happy. You're coming out of this darkness, this heavy energy towards light, towards happiness, towards friendships, towards excitement, and feeling a sense of hope. Wow, that's beautiful. Hope is very necessary these days. The sense of like everything is hopeful. That's important. Treasure Island, number 9. Yes, I think some of you are trying to figure out what is important to you. What is important to you in love, what is important to you in work, and what is important to you in life in general. So you are trying to figure those things out. And I do see that for some of you, if you are worried about money, money will come to you. In the future, there is a lot of money for you, so don't worry. Fork in the road, yes, some decisions are there. Some of you may leave your jobs and start businesses. Some of you may leave businesses and start studying. Some of you may, start cooking, doing something which you have never done. So decisions are there this week, yes. Let's see what else. Simply love. Number 6, a soulmate connection, a friendship is coming. For some of you, a new romance is coming. I see that. And it may start as friendship, someone with friends with benefit. I don't see friends with benefit. It's like it will start as friendship and then develop into romance because this person is your soulmate. So it's a wonderful energy, soulmate energy, lots of love, lots of friendship, lots of happy talks, excitement. Let's see your advice, then we're gonna look at your charms. Holy love, oh my god, friends. So yes, love is coming your way. Some of you are definitely preparing to meet your twin flames in the future, getting married to them. For others of you, you are definitely connecting with a new lover, a new friend. Some of you are connecting with your ancestors, your grandparents who have passed away. Your mother also. Some of you are healing relationship with your mother. Holy love. Love is holy. Your life is holy, friends. This is a very, very powerful card. So let's see your charms now. Let's see that. number two, what will happen for them? All right, lots of charms. Let's see. Let me just separate the charms a little. Oh wow, this is beautiful. This is a very powerful reading. Let's see, friends. Meg. This reminds me of Meg Ryan, the actress Meg Ryan. So, Meg or somebody named Megha, that's important. Or Meg. Meg could be a name for some of you. There is also leg is important. Your legs are healing, your feet are healing, or leg could be like a phase of life is changing, shifting. Leh could also be important for you. So the initials are L, E, H, M, and G. And you have the smiley, cute, lovey-dovey heart smiley. So yes, something happy is going to happen for you, friends. Messages in a bottle. Some spiritual messages are coming for you. Some love messages are coming for you. Number 17, very important for you. 17 is also the number of karma, number 8, and the star card is also number 17, so very important. Friendships are very important. Celebration, spending time, connecting with friends is important. Car, I see somebody with travel is important. Traveling, moving forth, going back to offices, going out in the market, going out in the sun. So, traveling is important for you. The shoe, this is again reminding me of travel, or taking some time to stay active in your life, like start jogging, start zumba, start working out, going, start doing something, starting something. This shoe is like start something, get to work. The heart, holy love, friends, holy love. Look at that. There is a lot of love around you this week. It's beautiful. And the dove, so peace, yeah, forgiveness, someone wants your apology. This is also like divine messages, spirit messages from the spirit is coming for you this week. Also someone wants to say sorry to you. Could be a lover, a twin flame, an ex-husband wife, or a friend. Someone wants to apologize and connect with you. The tree of life, yes, friends. Your family, your life is falling into place. So don't worry, you are going in the right direction. Heart, take care of your heart, friends. Listen to your heart. Do things which your heart tells you. The hat, someone wants to protect you. Someone wants to take you out on a date. The lady, hat is also like going out on a date, going out on a meeting. And the rose, deep holy love. Roses are holy, very deep love, attachment. Someone is very attached to you. You are very attached to them. Look at that. Prince of coin, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important. January is important. King of air, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important. Moon, yes. A lot of emotions are there. Sweetness, harmony is there. Moon is also about mother energy, fertility. Six of Wands, success is coming. Forward progress. Three of coins. Support of friends, support of family is coming. Five of air. Those who hurt you, they are going to come back and say sorry, or you will recover from them and find some new friends, find some new lovers. Tiger, you are very powerful, friends, you are very powerful. Seven of Wands, don't give up, keep fighting, keep moving ahead. Two of Wands, be mature. Green, healing. Money is healing. Love is healing your life. So that's it for now, friends. Please subscribe Magic Vents Tarot. Like and share. Join us on Instagram. And to buy a personal reading, visit our website. And this is Mystic C saying bye bye for now. Hi, beautiful angels. So, if you chose option number three, let us see the joy and contentment. Oh my God, this is a beautiful week for you because this is about joy and peace coming in your life. You finding stability and security, so that's a good start. And this is a charms reading. I'll be pulling the charms shortly. These are your oracle and advice messages. We're gonna look at them shortly. I have here my bag of charms here. Let's see. And it also feels like the angel is standing under a tree or a garden of financial abundance, prosperity. So this is wonderful. Let's see how your week will be. Pile number three. Wow. So you start the week feeling a little bit confused. You are confused about certain things in life or certain decisions, certain choices. I also feel in love you may be confused whether to trust a person or not to trust them, or you have more than one options, or you are single, you are confused whether you should marry or should not marry, you should go back to dating or not go back to dating. So you start the week with certain confusions, certain doubts in mind, certain like should I do this or should I do that. So there is a confusion when you start the week. Procrastination and worrying what others will think is blocking you from making a decision. If you if you are torn between your own decisions and someone else's, follow your inner guidance. So, yeah, you could be confused about whether you can trust somebody or trust your life or some sort of a situation, you can count on it or not. But I think since you got this card, joy and contentment, you are really lucky this week, friends. So, you can trust on the things around you, on the universe, you can count on it. So, don't worry. And let's see what else will happen for you this week. Six of spring, so some sort of a um, good news is coming for you, friends. Some sort of a promotion is coming for you. For some of you it could be a appraisal, it could be some new job offer. For others, your compliment, someone compliments you, a new lover or someone from the past returning back, knocking at your doors. So I keep getting that song "Knock Knock at the Heaven's Door." It's a beautiful song. And Six of Spring, yeah, it's about some sort of a excitement, some sort of a success coming for you. You feeling excited, you feeling successful, you feeling like yes, finally the confusion is over, and I know what to do. And yes, life goes, then things start to roll, and you're like, yes, now I can do things quickly. So it's a wonderful energy. You may receive a promotion um, or a scholarship, or find out that you are selected for some special recognition. You have done an amazing job and you deserve this beautiful praise. So, whatever good news or good messages or success is coming for you, you deserve it, friends. You have worked hard for it, so you deserve the success that's coming your way. And this week is about, a lot of clarity, a lot of momentum, surprises, happy surprises coming your way. So it's a good week for you, friends. It's a good week. The 10 of autumn. Wow. So definitely financial security is coming for you, or it will start to happen. Money will start to come in little by little for you, and you will be like, finally, things are rolling out. And I also feel some of you could be getting guests or calls from your guest, your relatives calling you up and checking. So, or you calling your relatives and checking upon them. So, financial, emotional security is there for you. And spending time with family, being there with family, taking care of each other, those things are important. Contentment comes from. Contentment comes from knowing that your finances are secure and your family's material needs are taken care of. It is important to honor tradition and have pride in your heritage and the accomplishment of your ancestors. So be proud of where you're coming from, your family, your inheritances, your past. Even not just family, if you overcome a challenge in the past, be proud of yourself. Be really really proud of yourself, friends. You have done a great job. Like if you were facing some health issues, you overcome it, you will overcome it this week. Feel proud of yourself. Also, some of you may be feeling like, your family, your parents, or somebody didn't do enough for you. But, see it in a different way. You have overcome, what they could not do, you could do for yourself. So well done. That was a lesson good learned. And, that was also exploring your, wings, exploring your wings, learning, finding yourself. So, be proud of who you are. You have come a long way, pile number three. Well done. And you must celebrate the journey you have taken and the places, the success you have achieved. So be proud of yourself. And look at that, the six of summer. So, love is coming your way, friends. Soul friendships, soulmates are coming for you. I do feel that, if you are married, your marriage will have more happiness and harmony. And if you are single, you are attracting a new soulmate, a new romance is coming for you. And you may have choice between more than one person or between old lover and a new lover. So there is a choice also. But there is love, there is peace, there is harmony, there is softness, there is this affectionate energy in this week for you, and I'm so happy for that, friends. I think that's what all of us need right now. A bit of affection, a bit of care, somebody who can tell us, oh, you relax, be, just we love you and all those kind of things. That's what we all need right now, I guess. And that's exactly what you are getting. Lots of love, dollops of love, care, joy, happiness. Whew. The love and care of children and the love and care of children could become an important part of your life, or people from your childhood may return back to you. Old memories can be healed, and old childhood dreams will finally come true. So, something from the past is healing and revealing to you. And also, some of you may look at your past photographs, past pictures, and you will find such joy from them. So, this week is all about a bit of nostalgia. Princess of Summer, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important, friends. That's wonderful. I feel this week you are a little emotional, friends, in a good way. Like you're feeling happy, you're more ready to smile, you're more excited about life, and a new romance is definitely coming from someone younger, someone very, someone who is different, someone who is naive is coming towards you. I do see if you have a crush, you might want to propose them, or if someone is crushing on you, they might propose you. So, excellent energies. And awakening. Yeah, certain things were stuck in your life, and certain things were not moving forward. Maybe some decisions were confusing to you. Maybe some, life, maybe some love life situation was stuck. Or maybe there was this situation of, what do you say? Um, something was stuck, like some family situation, money situation was stuck. It was not moving forward, but now it is moving forward. It will move forward. So congratulations, things are finally moving forward in your life, and not just financially but emotionally as well. So if you were stuck in a twin flame relationship, expect healing. If your marriage was stuck, not moving forward, expect healing. So a lot of healing, lot of happiness, and breakthroughs are coming for you. So look for breakthroughs, look for ideas, solutions. Princess of Autumn, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important for you. I also feel an Aries, Leo, Sag person is important, friends, for you. If you are a student, I see that you guys will be studying a lot this week because you find suddenly a sense of love for your courses, your novels, your books. You're in love with something and you want to study it, explore it. Another thing I'm feeling is like for some of you, your workload may increase this week. Like, you get some paperwork, or you have to do finish some odd jobs at work, like file work and all those things. So I do see you getting a lot of paperwork, but be careful because Mercury is still retrograde. So, yeah, take your time to ensure things are going right. I think. Also, the Saturn, Jupiter is retrograde. There is the Saturn square with Uranus. That can also lead to some confusions. So make sure to double check everything. And yeah, definitely, you will feel a need to read a lot of books this week. Read old books, old written letters, notes, all those memories, all those things. Ace of Spring. So, something exciting is definitely starting for you from this week or from the next week, friends. So, something beautiful is definitely coming for you, friends. Some excitement, also a fresh relationship, a fresh romance, a new job, or new excitement in your job is coming for you. A wonderful new opportunity will present itself to you. It may come as a surprise, but you will still want to take action towards it and pursue it with your all heart. So, a lot of excitement. Something new is coming, a new job offer, a new client, more success at your work, a new class like you joining university, you joining your first job. All those new things are happening for you, and a new relationship, definitely a new start. Let's see what else. Go the distance, number 47. So whatever you start this week, friends, make sure to finish it, because whatever you start this week will have a very positive energy, a lot of prosperity, success. So anything that's not yet over, finish it and then start something new, because that will bring you more success. And imagine, yes, friends, your manifestations are working very, very strongly. Anything you manifest this week, you can, if you want to pray or manifesting something, it will happen for you. So, well done. Your manifestations are working. Telepathy is also very strong. You will hear ideas from people, get messages through your twin flame. So, a lot of imagination. Telepathy is at work. Let's see this card. Lead, number 4. So you are a leader, friends. You are leading in your work and your emotions. So this is a great energy, friends. Wonderful energy. Let's see what else. Let's see your advice, friends, for this week. Then we're gonna look into your charms. Courage and bravery. You are very strong, friends. You are very strong. You are very sensitive, also you are very compassionate, but at the same time you are a very, very powerful and very strong person. So don't doubt yourself. You can definitely achieve whatever you are looking to achieve, and you are going to be very successful this week and in the coming months. So believe in yourself. Let's see your charms. Option number 3. Let's see, friends, for option number 3. Let's see the initials also, friends, for you. So your words initials are V, E, and K. Cave could be the word, or key could be the word, V could be the word, Via, Vivek, Vivek. Those could be the name. Kia could be a name for some of you, or those are the initials for you. VEK, the car. I do feel that some of you will achieve you want to achieve a home. You want to buy a home, buy an automobile or a mobile. It will happen, friends. It will happen. This red is about be passionate. Go after your dreams. Don't hold yourself back. Follow your dreams. What else is there? The number 25 is important, number 22 is important, friends. And look at that, you have elephant. So listen, elephants are about family, compassion. Elephants are also about strength and bravery, which is here. Courage and bravery. You're very strong, believe in yourself. And this pink bead is about, beauty. Follow your beauty. What makes you beautiful? Do that thing which makes you feel happy. The dog, it is about loyalty, someone very loyal is coming towards you. It could be a friend, a new colleague, a new lover. I feel it's a new lover, a crush, a friendship. And the slipper reminds me, this shoe reminds me of going the distance, complete your dreams. Things are moving again for you, so go after your dreams. The tree of life, yes, foundations, that's important for you. Where you belong, what was in the past, how was it? And look at that, the lucky envelope. Money is coming your way, friends. Good news is coming your way, and it will make you feel very happy. The leaf, let go of the past, forget the past, move on. Aeroplane, for some of you, you will get a job from a long distance, another city or country. For others of you, if you want to travel for work or studies, it will happen. Some news will happen about traveling for studies. Faith, yes, keep your faith strong, friends. Your faith will be restored this week. Seven of Wands, don't give up. Prince of Air, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. Five of Cups, some past disappointments will be healed. September is important. November is also important. Let's see what else. One of Coin, Ace of Coins is important. Ace of Coins is a new start, a new project, a new deal. Some new clients are coming your way. Six of Wands, promotions are coming. Six of Cups, a soulmate is coming. June is important. So June, September, November is important. And what else? Ten of Coins. Family is very important to you, friends. Family and emotional support. Six of Air, things getting better. Movement happening. This plane movement happening. And Aries, Leo, Sag person is also important. Inspiration, you are inspiring a lot of people, friends, so don't give up. And that's it for now, friends. Subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share, join us on Instagram, and to buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye for now.